Everyone, now selecting and editing text in MS Word. I will show you today how do you select and edit text in MS Word. So if I revise the chapter, I have already told about the selecting and editing text. Now the best part is that I will be coming over here in the search box and I will be typing out MS Word. Yes, 2013 is there, so I open 2013. Once I open 2013, right, I find that there is a blank document over here, and this blank document I click on it. So now I increase my fonts and I'll find out over here that whatever we do is over here we type out, since it is a document. So if I write editing over here, so if I write editing, EDITING, so if I write editing, I can enlarge the editing part like this. So this is editing, EDITING. So once I do editing, I can increase the font, I can color it, I can make it blue, I can make it any color from here of my choice. And once I make this as my choice, I find that the name of the chapter is selecting and editing text. So what is editing? That is very important. So editing is a process of making changes to the text. So if I make any changes to the text, I use the changes. It can be changed in any format. So if I make the changes, or if I make changes in any way or the other, so that is called changing of text. So yeah, I can increase the font from here. I am changing, and that means I am editing, right? So editing is a process. So this is a process of making changes to the text. So that is editing. What is editing? I have told. Then the chapter name, editing and selecting. What does the selecting mean? Selecting means to select. Suppose, for example, I can select like this. I can write editing text, TEXT. See, I can write that. Now I can select this by clicking on it. I click on it and I can select it. I can click on it, I can select it. I can also select all of it by using Control A, the whole selection. So Control plus A, I can select the both. Yeah. So now you see the blank area. This is the blank area. So this blank area to the left of the typed text is called the selection area. So this is the selection area. This blank area is called the selection area, and this is a blank area where if you want to select a word, if I want to select this word, I can double click. I can double click anywhere on the word. Yes, on the word means over here I can double click. So this is selected. I can double click over here. So this word is selected. So if I double click anywhere on my word, on the word, means that I can select a word. Yes. And this portion is called the selecting area. Yes. Even I can click once time and I can select this particular editing from here also by using the selection area. Yeah, over here, and the arrow will come and click on it. So I can select there also. So that is selecting and editing. I have told you how to change the fonts. Okay. And now you can see very well, this is a pattern over here that we know that we can color it or make any changes to it. Now we can select also. I told you how to select all. We use Control plus A. So if you press Control plus A, then the whole thing is selected. You can see very well. I can even go by using the arrow key and just deselect it. Okay, or I can click anywhere and I can deselect it. Deselect, right? We know also selecting and deselecting. So select, deselect. I click on it. Okay. Now you see the buttons present on the quick access toolbar. So which portion is a quick access toolbar? You'll find this is a quick access toolbar area. So the buttons present over here, what are the buttons that you can see over here? That is very, this portion is called the quick access toolbar. So in the particular quick access toolbar, what do you see? What do you see? So quick access toolbar, you find that over here in the quick access toolbar, you find, you see, I'm just hovering over, you find Control Z. Control Z means undo. Undo. Control Z means undo. That is also a shortcut command, undo. You can also see over here, redo is there. Yes. Yes, let me see. Repeat typing is there. Okay, repeat typing is there. Undo is there. Undo typing is there. And you have the save option also over here. So save option is also there. So, and suppose I click on it and do one delete key, press one delete key, so it is deleted. So now you see again I can undo it from here. So I can click on it and see the text is there, and you can see this one, undo clear, so that will come. Undo clear, it will come. So what is the meaning of undo, you know? Yes, this is redo, that is Control Y. So redo command, okay, redo command is also there, present. Okay, redo command is also present in the quick access toolbar. So redo command is there, that is redo clear, that is Control Y. We have the undo command also, and you have the save option also. So these commands are there in the quick access toolbar. Now, so you know all the three are present. Okay, all the three of them are present. Now I have also shown you the, I will show you the particular shortcut keys. See, suppose I select this one and I want to cut it. So I can use the Control X. Yes, I can use the Control X to cut. So Control plus X I have done, so it cut. Okay, and I can make it text editing. I press enter, and I can use Control V to paste it. Yes, that's it, I paste it. So you know the function of Control X and Control V. So one is to cut and the other is to paste. So you know very well this, and you know, like whenever we are doing something, what is the, when we are using the copy command and paste command, what it actually happens. So whenever we are using the copy command, suppose I want to copy, right click and use the copy command. Whenever I am using the copy or paste, that are available in the which group? Which group? You will find over here the group, that is the particular, you will find this group, the clipboard group. Okay, you will find this in the clipboard group, right? So that particular, you find clipboard is written over here, so it is in the clipboard group. So copy and paste buttons are available in which group? Copy and paste, even cut is there in which group? That is the clipboard group. So you know where these are found. The particular fonts are found where? Font, yes, font, in which group? Font group. This left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, okay, justified, all you find in which group? Paragraph group. Okay, you can use the buttons, that is the bullets, in which group you find? You find in the paragraph group. You can use numbers also, in which group you find? You find in the particular which group? That is the paragraph group. Okay, so these things you find. You can even color it, where you find, in which group you find over here in the paragraph group. See how nice. You can use this one as also. Okay, and you can use the color also from here. So that is also the power. So text editing, you get it. And this really, why do we edit things? To look nice. To look nice you use. Okay. So these things you know, and enter a particular document, you know, that is Control A we do to find out, right? Now we come to another portion, that is what is called the particular, you see, the end key. In the keyboard we can use the cursor also. So suppose my cursor is over here and I want to go to the end portion, so I can use the end key. Yes, I can use the end key. So when I use the end key, see the cursor is blinking over here. I can change the color also. I can change the color also. So from here I can change the color to a light color, yes. Yes, to the light color. And I can make that color over here also. So this is editing. What we are doing is editing. Okay, this is editing. Yes. So you know this one part very well, and you know to select one character also to the right. Yes, to select one character to the right. You see right characters, select, you use the shift and the right arrow key, shift and right arrow key. One character to the right, one character to the left, you do shift and the particular left arrow key, shift and left arrow key. So these things we do, and hope this is fine to you. Then we have the various, I have already shown the various particular selections, that align selection, then you move the pointer to the selected area, selection area, and it will change the right pointer arrow, and you click once, you can select the line. So hold the line, you can select, hold this line, you can select. Even if it is one word also, you can select. But if you double click on each word, that word will be selected. See, only the word is selected. So these things are there. Insert and replace also we have. How do we insert and replace text? So we can insert and replace, yes, and the process once you find that once the text is selected, suppose I select the text, okay, first suppose I select this text, okay, suppose I select it and we begin to type the new word, the selected text is deleted and the new text is typed over. See, so thus the selected text is replaced with the new one, and this is known as overtyping. Suppose I write nice editing or word editing. Suppose I write word editing. So W-O-R-D. So I have W-O-R-D. So I have done word editing. See, this is called overwriting or overtyping. Thus the selected text is replaced with the new one. So now there was text editing, I made word editing. So what is overtyping? Once the text is selected and we begin to type the new text, the selected text is deleted and the new text is typed, like you have seen just now. And this the replacement, that the selected text is replaced with a new one, this is known as overtyping. So you know what is overtyping also, and you know that there are various things that I have done, and I have told about the copying and moving. So whenever you copy things, you try to understand, whenever you copy, that copy means original exists and the remaining will be just coming in front. See, okay, so you know what is the particular, you see how nice it comes when we give this format of numbering. So automatically number 2 will come. So this is also auto numbering. We can move also the text, cut, and then when you move the text, then no particular, you will just move, there is no copy. Undo and redo I have just shown. I can undo this all, undo this, okay, this is what we call the undo, and this is what we call the redo or redo paste. Just see. So this is all about the particular chapter, and I think all is clear, and more will be clear if you go to the video more and more times. So all will be clear to you. Okay, hope this will find you nice explanation, and I hope that everyone is understanding and can do the same work nicely. Thank you everyone, and all of you, I hope that everything is clear, right? So anything you want to say, you can tell it to me. I have no hesitation of it. So hope everything goes fine. Okay, thank you then. So all the best to you. Thank you. Yes.